Hi, my name is Poppy and I am doing a placement with the National Museum of Wales. I'm based at Cardiff University, but I'm spending the 4 months here at the museum. Part of the placement aim is to explore how the economic botany collection can support public understanding and valuing of biodiversity. The second aim of the placement is also to explore how this collection can support the National Museum of Wales' duty of wellbeing, which is now a requirement of the Wellbeing Future Generations Act 2015. So throughout the placement, which lasts 4 months, I'm going to be firstly looking at the collection, kind of trying to get a sense of what it consists of, and secondly speaking with different groups of the public within Wales to explore how the collection has the potential to be developed in terms of displays, acquisitions and activities. I hope that the work that I'm going to be doing through the placement will help the museum by engaging a wider range of people in the collection, and also possibly exploring how material might have significance to different groups of people, and possibly we'll be able to understand and explore pieces of the collection that we might not even know exist, or it might have significance to different people. And I hope that the placement in terms of the Valuing Nature Network can contribute towards kind of more participatory methods of engaging the public and exploring a collection together. Engaging with plants has the potential to really inspire future generations to connect with nature more broadly. And I think another thing that was kind of unexpected through the placement is really looking at how the arts and artists have a real role to play in supporting exploration of plants and nature, and how working with artists can really open up worlds for people, and I think enhance the valuing and understanding as well of biodiversity.